Move.
Keep up. Okay.
Good
ready?
job.
Ready for that
Good
turn?
stepping.
Let's do a left turn.
Good stepping.
Yeah. Whoa.
Whoa.
Come on. No, you don't need to do one-handed. Come on. Let's not get fancy.
Oh, she's like, I want to get back on my knees. I can go faster. Oh, but Sophie, you were walking it so well. You want to stand up again? Daddy, can you give her a little... Oh. Good pushing, Sophie.
Can you keep going?
I didn't know if she needed resistance. Good job. Look at you. Look at you. You want to push it to mommy? You want to push it to mommy? Whoa. You are fast, Sophie.
You are real fast.
Look at you.
Oh, one-handed.
Whoa.
Fancy.
Into the new room. Into the other room. Yeah. Whoa.
You got it. You got it.
Yeah. Good job.
That is right. You tell him.
That is some great
Who are you
moving,
yelling?
Sophie.
Yeah. Okay. Ready for a turnaround? Right.
Yeah.
So true. So true. Yeah. Like an old smoker. Angry old smoker. Ready?
All right,
All
Sophie,
right.
let's see you
Let's
keep
hightail
going.
it on out of here. You tell him what's what.
Where's she going?
Adios,
You want
muchacha.
to come back to the kitchen?
Oh.
Oh, she wants to go down and...
You want to do your own pushing?
What do
Want
you
to do your own
think?
pushing?
Whoa! Sophie, you are so fast.
The knees move 5 times as fast as the cart.
I know.
Okay, let's try going that way. Can we go that way?
Okay. Okay. Hi.
Crash landing. Crash landing.
Good job. Yeah. Whoa, that was some good pushing, Sophie.
Yeah. Whoa, baby got up on your feet by herself. Good job.
Oh, that's slippery. That's slippery. Whoa. Whoa. Good working,
Mama.
Sophie. Good job. Whoa. You're into a wall. It's a dead end, Sophie. What do you want to do now? You want to try to go in reverse? That's difficult, Sophie. Should we try to turn you around? You want to go back the other way? Or are you ready for something new? You ready for your music box? Oh, we just need to hit the on switch. Do you want to try now?
Can you do it? All right. Good work. Good work.
Do-do-do-do-do-do. Woo. Yeah. Can you dance, Sophie?
Can you do a flute? Oh,
Oh.
you did it twice. Good job. Good job. Yeah.
That's fun. That's some fun music.